So again, you said you come from a tech background
Yes.
and you got into farming mushrooms, and obviously you integrated some of your tech knowledge in your farming. So how are you using technology and automation
Yeah.
in farming your mushroom?
Okay, so mushroom farming is both complicated and simple. I would lean towards the complicated and the scale that we're doing it at. To create a sustainable and an efficient farm or a lab, because it's not actually a farm, it's a laboratory, you need to control all the environmental factors. You need to develop technologies that enable you to monitor and analyze your environment, your production, and the results, and then based on that, optimize. Now, when I'm running my tech and my marketing campaigns, I'm actually doing exactly the same thing. So I run an advertising campaign. We use evidence to optimize it. We use technology to target and to create it. So we do exactly the same thing here. So I use this understanding of automation to develop my systems, which I built myself to run the farm or the lab. And that way we get consistent results.
The definition of a scientific way of doing things. I mean, technology is rooted from science. So a lot of the procedures are scientific. Yeah. For people to know, on 18th of March, 7 p.m. Cyprus time, that's Eastern European time, we have a fireside chat with Vas Joseph. Vas, you want to tell our future audience who you are?
Yeah, I'm Vas. I'm the co-founder of Freyia Labs and the founder of PinkPanster. I'm a mushroom farmer. Come to the chat. I'll show you how to change the world and how to change your health. And I'm going to bring stuff to show it.
Oh, we're going to have surprises.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful. See you everyone on 18th of March.
See you on the 18th.